'Tis the season, and that season is pumpkin spice. The memes go crazy on the internet. So, is it that bad? No. Is the Starbucks one 90% sugar? Absolutely. Does it contain any actual pumpkin? Probably not. So, why not make it at home? We're gonna start with 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon or about, say, 20 allspice berries, 6 green cardamon cloves, 1 star anise and 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander, with some ground dried ginger, a half of a nutmeg, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and some pumpkin puree, plus some bourbon vanilla extract that a good friend of mine made. First off, we're gonna get this on the stove and we're gonna toast it. We're gonna toast at a medium-high heat. Since I have an electric stove, that's about a 7. Right when you can start to smell all of the spices coming up, that's when it's perfect. The smell of the spices is just now coming up. We don't want to stop toasting them until it smells like Christmas. We're gonna add our water. Right here is where we're gonna add our pumpkin puree. Now it's gonna bring this up to a boil. Right when it comes to a boil, we're gonna turn off the heat and add in our sugar. And before that, before I forget, followed by our nutmeg. All right, now that's boiling, we're gonna cut the heat off. And we're gonna add our brown sugar. And our white sugar. Now we're gonna allow this to sit overnight and really steep and pull out all those flavors. Then again, you don't really have to. If you just want to use it right now, go right ahead. Strain it off and use it as you will in your coffee or a cocktail. And we'll be using our Crew bottle here. These are an incredible company. It's tempered glass, and they're easy to wash. That comes off the bottom. Now, if I was a braver man, I would do this freehand, but I'm not a braver man today. Alright. Cap it. Now actually the last thing we're going to do, after it's come off from boiling, is we're going to take our bourbon vanilla and pour about an ounce in. Alright, so it has been a full day and we have our pumpkin spice syrup right here. It's quite thick, so we're going to strain it. Best part about these bottles, one of the best things, is right like that. So I can strain it with all of the spices we have in there. Now this is going to take a while. It does taste delicious. Because of the pumpkin puree we have in this, it's going to take probably about an hour or 2. We made a larger batch, so it'll last us through all the holidays. It's been about an hour and 10 minutes for our simple syrup to fully strain. So now, into our Crew bottle. Now, let's make some cocktails. Now, because of the pumpkin puree in this, we need to refrigerate this after we're done. Let's start. 2 ounces of bourbon. We go 1/2 ounce of our pumpkin spice syrup. Do a swath of, this one is not great. Sesame sucks. Smells good though. Lemon and orange. That's nice. 1 stick of cinnamon. And for this one, to bump up the spice a little bit more, I'm gonna add in 2 cardamom pobs that I'm going to throw in, and 1 star anise. Boom. And now about 3 ounces of water. Let's give it a little stir. All right, let's give it a taste. A little taste test in my holiday mug. That is pretty damn good. The best part about a cocktail like this, or the hot toddy, is the fact that it's only going to richen in flavor over time once you get down to the bottom. Really warms you up. Cocktail number 2. Next up is an Irish coffee. Now, I don't actually have any Irish whiskey, but I do have Scotch. So we're gonna make Scottish coffee. Again, we're gonna start with ½ ounce of our syrup, and then we're gonna go 1½ ounces of our Scotch, non-dairy creamer, that was a negatory, good buddy. So, fuck it, we're just gonna add our cream in. All right, taste test. Cheers. That's actually fucking delicious. And now for our third and final cocktail. Again, still using our simple syrup. So we had 2 hot cocktails back to back. How about a cold one? We're gonna go with a pumpkin spice old fashioned. All right, we're gonna go 2½ ounces of our bourbon, ½ ounce simple. Now you will need to shake this in between uses because it will be some sediment in there. Instead of using Angostura bitters, we're gonna be using some cherry bark vanilla bitters. Go 1, 2 of that. Get our ice in there, and let's give it a stir. And usually put over a big rock, but I don't have any, so we're gonna go Nick and Nora glass. And now for the taste test. Delicious. Damn, that is nice. You get all of the spice. You don't get much pumpkin flavor from it. No, there you go. The back end, you get that little bit of pumpkin in there. It does taste like pumpkin pie. Boozy pumpkin pie. Yeah, all right, I'm happy with that. Well, there you are. 3 easy pumpkin pie spice cocktails. 2 to warm your body and 1 to warm your spirits. Cheers and happy holidays, everyone. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel. And until next time, shut up and drink.